Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to restore the old layout of YouTube. Now as we can see, current interface or layout of YouTube is something like this. Now to change this and make this or restore this to the older one, we have to first search on Google Chrome Web Store, click on the first link, and once you open the first link, click on the search bar here and search YouTube Redux. Click on this, and once you get on this page, you have to simply click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Once you click on Add Extension, you'll get this page. You have to just ignore it and open a new tab. Open up YouTube. And now here you can see you have successfully restored the old layout of YouTube. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.